To achieve this look with just 2 products, keep on watching.
I can't be fucked with, no. Ho, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp.
This is from Unice hair. This is a 16-inch frontal wig. It's a 13x6. Of course, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. And if y'all want to see how I achieve this look without bleaching my hair, keep on watching. And yes, it is in its natural state.
Keep on watching.
Here, I pulled down the wig to see how it will look and how it will lay. I used an alcohol pad to wipe off my forehead, and then I went in with my 𝙷𝙰 glued and applied it. I spread the 𝙷𝙰 glue from side to side. Yes, I could have did it in sections, but because I do this all the time, I went ahead and decided to do it as a whole. I applied the 𝙷𝙰 glue 3 times. However, I will not be showing all 3 times because it's repetitive. So I showed you once. I showed you twice actually. Then I go in and I give each layer 5 minutes to dry before applying my wig. However, I give the last layer at least a minute or 2 in between, then applying it. I'm making sure the 𝙷𝙰 glued is tacky enough to apply my wig, and it's going to stick. After applying my lace exactly where I want it, I go in with my soft brush and I use it to press in my lace exactly where I want it so it will melt well. I feel like it's the same concept as a comb. However, this melts it and make it neater. You will now see me go in and make slits into my lace to make it easier for me to cut off. The edges of your hair, well, the sideburn of your hair is the hardest to lay down. So now I will go in with more 𝙷𝙰 glued and just put it there, make it dry, and apply the lace into it and push down and massage it in to ensure that it's secured and ensure that it's melted well. And I'll do the same thing for both sides. I will be moving my scissors in squiggly motions so I don't have a defined line cut, so you can't really tell that I have on a lace, if that makes sense. The more squiggly the line is, the better your lace looks. I'm going in with my 𝙷𝙰 glue spray to ensure extra security and make sure every part of my hair is melted into my scalp. That's why you see me using the end of the brush and pushing it in. You will then go ahead and see me take out my sideburns and ensure everything is in place. you see me going in with my got2b glue spray once again and spraying it on my edges, pressing it in to make sure everything is secured and melted. Remember, everything is always about the melt. If your hair is not melted correctly, it's not going to look good. So make sure your hair is melted neatly, nicely, and it looks like scalp, of course, the best you can. I will now go in and give myself some sideburns along with some baby hairs. And after I do that, I will go ahead and tie down my hair and get to styling. Make sure you watch till the end. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for tuning in today.